Hello everybody. It has been a long time since I've been posting. I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting. So in today's updated video, I'll be unboxing my favorite thing, a DVD player, a DVD case. I got this one called Dora the Explorer. Anyways, but I'm gonna be unboxing this with you guys. So let's unbox it together. But like guys, I got this at Goodwill, and if you guys don't know, Goodwill is a place in Grand Forks. And by the way, I am using this, and don't worry, I know how to use this thing. I know how to use this thing. That was so unsatisfying. Anyways. Okay, it's not that serious. I'll throw this away, don't worry. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the case. It shows Dora and the Boots. But like guys, this is my childhood favorite show. I've watched this before. I've watched it when I was really little, and I love this show. I still love it now, but I haven't been watching it, so. Look at that. And it's Christmas! I'm kidding. Alright, let's open it. Oh my freaking god. Oh, sorry. Here is the DVD. I actually expected a lot more. I thought it was going to be a red CD, but it's okay. It's okay. I will be using this at the farm. If you guys want me to actually do a vlog about that, let me know. Oh yeah. And then it shows the back. It shows a bunch of like things, like the okay, sorry. It shows a present for Santa, the first one, and then school pet, and then rapido tico. I don't know how to say that. I'm so sorry. And then quack quack. I am so sorry. So thank you so much for watching.